Keynote by �W𝐞𝐝, Malta Enterprise.
Good morning. I will try to address one particular point which has many facets. Why Malta makes a good place for a MedTech company to start and to prosper here in Malta. Firstly, though, a brief introduction for the uninitiated in Malta about Malta Enterprise. We are the government's economic development and investment promotion agency. The first point of call for businesses doing investment in Malta. We deal with everything that a business operating from Malta might need throughout its journey, from starting up to scale up and everything in between. So what does Malta offer for the MedTech space? Traditionally, we excel in both aspects, medicine and technology. Medicine. Malta is home to some of the best global pharma companies, from Teva to Aurobindo, PharmaCare, �W𝐞𝐝, and MedTech, to mention just a few. We export products from Malta across the globe. We continue to grow the sector as we have had a recent addition just this week. We opened a new facility in the south part of the island, which is MGC Pharma. And we also have a pipeline of greenfield investments, large investments in this sector. We are also host to global medical device companies such as Baxter, Cardinal Health, and Metalforms. Others, even in this space, are also on the way. So in these past three years, we have also built an excellent reputation in the life sciences sector through the medical cannabis industry. We were the first EU state to regulate the sector, and licenses are being issued to companies whose product will be the gold standard in the industry, and it will carry the Made in Malta brand. Most of all, there is one common denominator between all the companies in these various fields in medicine, pharma, medical devices. They all mention the employees and the expertise of their employees in Malta. We have some of the best people globally in their respective industries. The second aspect of MedTech is technology. Though we do not have Apple or Google or Facebook in Malta, I believe we are setting the stage for companies in deep tech that will become huge. In the space of AI, particularly game development, cybersecurity, digital identity solutions, and natural language processing, we have startups that will make a global impact. Some of the brightest people in the industry, in technology, are moving to Malta and building tech solutions that are mind-blowing. It is happening, and you will hear great stories from Malta very soon. A number of MedTech companies are already set up in Malta. Indigenous ones, such as Umana, are making impressive products and inroads not just in Malta, but even globally. Also, foreign companies setting up here are building software solutions for, say, diagnostics that are groundbreaking. Omniscope, just to mention one, they were at our startup festival last weekend, is a startup supported by Malta Enterprise that set up in Malta this year and is building an AI biotech diagnostics tool that can revolutionize the industry. Others will follow, and there will be announcements very soon, particularly also in medicinal and medical robotics. We also have some advantages for MedTech companies that you wouldn't find in other jurisdictions. First of all, there are some important advantages of being small. We are agile in doing business. It is easy to reach decision makers. easy-to-access institutions from hospitals to universities and technical institutes, and we also have a business-first mindset in various institutions. We also have what is possibly one of the best and most accessible medicines authority in Europe, with whom us, as Malta Enterprise, have an excellent collaboration. This makes Malta's Medicines Authority a business-friendly regulator. We also have, as Malta Enterprise, we administer a number of grant schemes that will help businesses set up and grow for Malta as we seek to become leaders in MedTech. Our focus as Malta Enterprise is to assist companies in pharmacy technology and research. We seek to build an economy based on companies that are creating real value through innovation. We must increase our ability to innovate by putting the money where our mouth is. Malta Enterprise has a very strong R&D scheme which is not capped and can assist up to 80% of an R&D project. We encourage involvement of research institutions and also the dissemination of such research. We want companies to develop the right kind of skill sets here in Malta. To this end, we also offer an incredibly good scheme known as the skills development to upskill and train and retrain workforce, whereby Malta Enterprise would fund up to 70% of training of employees. It also funds up to 70% of the trainers that train the employees. So with this, I would like to conclude by saying that government is backing our vision to support business research and innovation. We are prioritizing research, investing millions in companies that have innovative projects in various industries, not least MedTech. So please come forward and speak to us. We want to make MedTech and Deep Tech a central part of our economy. I encourage you to visit our stand just outside this hall and explore how we as Malta Enterprise can support you. I truly believe that the future is in MedTech and we are playing a central role to become and forming part of it. Thank you very much.